Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, the people living in a community can be divided into equal groups of 36, 448, 12. What is the least number of people in this community? Now, to find the least number of people, we need to find the least common multiple of given three numbers, that is 36, 448 and 12. So, to find the least number of people, we need to find least common multiple of 36, 448 and 12. Now we can find this by prime factorization. For that, firstly, we need to find factors of 36, 448 and 12. Now, factors of 36 can be found by 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, the factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Similarly, we can find factors of 448. Now, factors of 448 can be found by 448 divided by 2 is 224. 224 divided by 2 is 112. 112 divided by 2 is 56. 56 divided by 2 is 28. 28 divided by 2 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Again, 7 divided by 7 is 1. So, the factors of 448 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Then, factors of 12. Now, the factors of 12 are 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, the factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Now, we can find LCM of 36, 448 and 12 by firstly taking common factors and then multiply the rest of the numbers. So, here common factors are 2 into 2 first, then 3 is there. So, rest of the numbers are 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. Then 7 into 1, which is 4032. Hence, least number of people living in this community is 4032.